Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your guy for the wrong day. Just doing an update about I don't know what, God knows what. They don't come back. I got a topic. Fake ass people. Like niggas so fucking alright, so friend's fake as fuck. No, my girlfriend's fake as fuck. So we chilling or whatever, and then we chilling at the crib or whatever. We walk around, buying stuff, chilling, playing ball, and all that stuff. Then I went home. She left. The next day, she's like, cause her girl was mad at her at the time or whatever. And then she's like, yo, let me hold this teddy bear for you. So I can give it to her for you. I give it back. She's like, alright, whatever. And then she's like, her girlfriend took her phone or whatever. And she was like, oh, don't text my girlfriend's phone. Blasey, blase. I'm like, yeah. And then my twin got the phone back. She was like, don't mind that. I was like, alright, whatever. And she was like, come to the crib. So I came because I had a Tim's, whatever. And so we chilling outside, whatever. We just chilling. I guess his girlfriend, okay, because I go to the house on bike because it's like right there. And then I guess her girlfriend was in the kitchen or something, whatever. So yeah, I asked for some water. And then she's like, alright, bruh, well, I see you on Thursday, because Friday, Thursday was supposed to be, yeah. And then I guess her girlfriend and her was making plans or whatever. And she got hot. And I guess she took her phone and hid it in the house or something. I don't know. But bitch is fake as fuck. Okay, yeah. I was talking to her on Facebook or whatever because she hit me up. Because I was good. I was like, me too. And today, her girl was like, because we was talking over there. Not like that. But yeah, we was talking or whatever. And then she was like, wait, what she say? Hold on. She was like, no. Yeah. Yeah. And then I was like, yeah, shoot. I'm saying this like a lot of times, but whatever. Fuck it. It's a YouTube video on my channel. But she was like, oh, didn't I tell you not to talk to my girlfriend? Not go to sleep. I was like, what the hell? And I was like, alright, that's fine. And get my shit back. And she's like, nah, you couldn't. And then so I thought that was my twin talking, whatever. And she's like, this not Sheena, whatever. I was like, I just said, I'm done, fuck it. Let me just get my shit back, yo. She said, no, you gave it to her, so it's hers now. I was like, what the fuck? I let her use the shit. And she said, no, I said she could have it. I was like, what the fuck? And she's like, oh, I don't have time to argue with you. I was like, nigga, what the fuck? No bumming ass motherfucker. Like, what they do that? Okay. Y'all know how y'all chilling with your girls or whatever, or homegirls. Then like they boyfriend or girlfriend come along that don't like you and they just be starting shit. Like, nigga, where they do that at, bruh? It's 2011, motherfuckers hating, I guess. I don't know. She can't say I hit her girlfriend up 24/7 because I obviously don't, and because they live together, so I don't know. But I don't know, that motherfucker must be on her fucking period or some shit like that. I don't know. But it ain't working for me though. I don't tolerate the tolerance. I don't tolerate the tolerance. I don't know. But yo, I'm about to get packed up to head out Miami tomorrow. Chill with that. Come back on Sunday around 6, 5, I don't know. But yeah, shout out to my Negroes. Shout out to my MO. Shout out to Nay. Shout out to fucking nigga. Hit me up on Google. But yo, shout out to my niggas. Y'all know who y'all are. This video is long as fuck. But yeah, I'm mad as hell. And tired. Plus I got that. So yeah, I'm signing out though. Fitted on deck. Cha-cha. Dude. Shout out to Ariel. Shout out to her. That's a real. I lied. Oh man, but I'm out, y'all. Chip.